go to Home tab and select it. Now specify the center of the ellipse. So let's say this is our center, left click. Now let's specify endpoint of axis, left click. Now we will specify the distance from axis to axis. So this is the distance, left click. And here we go, this is our ellipse. The shortcut for the command ellipse is EL, type EL, enter or space. Now specify axis endpoint of ellipse. So let's say this is our axis endpoint, left click. Now let's specify the other endpoint, left click. And this is the distance between the axis, left click. Similarly, if you go to the Home tab, ellipse, and click on this small arrow, you can see that you can draw it with the help of center, with the help of axis end, and with the help of elliptical and arc. So let's try this one. Left click. First we need to specify axis endpoint of elliptical arc. So let's say this is our first point, left click. Now you need to specify second point, let's say this one, and our third, the distance. In ellipse you have two axes, major axis and minor axis. To make it easy for you to understand, let's draw two axes, minor axis and minor axis. So type L, enter. So let's say this is our major axis, press escape. Now let's say this is our minor axis, press escape. Now type EL, enter. Specify axis endpoint. Let's say this is our first axis endpoint, and this is gonna be our other endpoint of the axis, which is the major axis, left click. Now minor axis, left click. Here we go, this is our ellipse. It depends on the measurements, that's why it looks like a little bit circle, but this is how you can draw an ellipse in AutoCAD. The last command we will be talking about is hatch, which is in draw list also.